Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Eddie Harvey here from TradeWithEd.com. This is going to be a very short video for you all, but just looking at some different tools utilized during trading. I am here at the Forex Factory news calendar, and if you trade with the news, depending on the type of trading style that you utilize, the news is very important, very relevant to the style of trading that you have that can impact the type of trades that you're in, uh, or if you are looking to enter into the market. So here it is, guys. It's still Thursday here for me right now, November 1st. But as you can see here, this is showing what's coming up here. It's 11:46 p.m. here in Chicago, Illinois, at the time you're making this video. So getting ready to roll into London session here very shortly. Okay, but 12:46 Eastern time. But here's the news layout for Friday, and it's very pedestrian, I would say. Now, the impact is what I look at over here on Forex Factory, and if you look here, you're looking at the currency pair, and it's showing you the news currently from, as you can see here, date Friday, November 2nd, time 12:43 a.m. Again, this is showing the Eastern time. Here's your currency pair, and here's the impact. Now, the time is going to reflect when this news is going to come out. So, trading the euro at 3 a.m. And 3:45, you got the impact. I'm gonna talk about the impact levels here in a second, but you have German import prices, M/M French government budget balance. You know, a lot of this stuff you see it over and over. Sometimes don't pay attention to it, but at the end of the day, this is the most important part that I've always paid attention to is the impact, and then the currency pair. Excuse me, the currency being impacted by it. So if you look here, the euro and the Swiss franc, the calendar right here is yellow, which means it's okay to still trade that pair at these times. So 3 a.m., 3:45, let's say all the way to 5 a.m., 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. You're looking right here, the euro and the Swiss franc. The impact is yellow, so all of that is good to trade. You're good to go to trade those pairs during that time. If your pair is not right here doing this specific time frame, then you're good to go. Um, so if you go down a little further though, now you're looking at 5:30 m. The Great Britain pound. The I just had something hit on one of my trades here. Check that out in a second. The Great Britain pound. The impact is orange. So now, construction PMI. Now it's starting to get where it was low impact. This is more like a moderate impact. So you can trade. Obviously, you can trade whenever you want, but I'm just looking at the calendars here, just sharing this. You can trade during this time, or you can choose again not to. So typically, even when it's like this, I typically don't. If I'm trading during the news, I typically wouldn't. So 5:30 a.m. for me, I would just avoid trading the Great Britain pound. And then not only, you got to remember, not only uh, if you're leading with the pound, so GBP USD, I wouldn't trade that. But on the flip side, I wouldn't trade, let's say, Euro GBP either. So any pair that the GBP is involved in, I'm not trading it. Okay, at 5:30 a.m. I'm going to avoid that. Now 8:30 a.m. Now you have the red here for the CAD, Canadian dollar. The red means high impact. I absolutely, if I'm trading during news, I absolutely would avoid this by all by all means. The CAD, as you can see here, 8:30, the US dollar uh, at 8:30. I'm avoiding both of those. Uh, so USD, CAD, CAD, JPY, just to name a couple of pairs I'm not messing around with because now they're talking about employment change, unemployment rates for USD. This is huge. The first Friday of every month. NFP, non-farm employment. Uh, non-farm employment change. So non-farm payrolls typically what's called. Is during this Friday. So that's always has the market that always has the market in a frenzy, in a fit. So at that point, I would typically on a Friday like this. Sometimes for some folks, they don't even trade. Obviously, if you're a more experienced trader, then you definitely still trade, stay in the market. But at this point, a lot of people trade very lightly, or they don't trade at all during NFP. All right, so and that's it. I scroll down, I'm trying to find some more news, but for tomorrow, obviously the market is going to close um, and won't open back up until Sunday. But right here, that's your impact news. So again, the biggest things when obviously if you're getting ready to get into the market, look at the time you're getting ready to get into the market. Depending on where you're trading, then you see what pair is being affected by the news. Then you check out the impact. Yellow is very moderate. Yellow is very mild, meaning it's still good to get into the market. This is just based on what I've been taught and just giving you my thoughts. You can do what you want to do. Yellow is very mild. You're cool. Orange is moderate. Like you can if you want to, but at the same time, just avoid it because it could have some type of impact on your trades. And then red is high impact, pretty much. Oh, cool! I don't know if you hover over it, it show you what it is. So you see, red is high impact. Don't trade during this time. All right. Uh, Medium impact is orange, and low impact. So low, medium, and high impact. That's what you have there. All right. So I hope you all got some value from this video. I was just sharing with you guys about trading on Forex Factory News, the different the calendar and everything, and what the different things mean. So if you guys want to learn more about trading Forex, simply go to tradewithed.com to find out more about how you can get a complete trading education online, guys, platform, tools to utilize to not only help you learn Forex, but to help you profit, profit and earn with Forex. All right. Again, tradewithed.com. Hope you all got some value from this. I will talk to you all later. Take care. Have a great day.